So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. So what we will discuss today? We will discuss about rainy season or monsoon season. Nowadays means it's raining in our area. Okay. So sometimes it's an heavy raining or low raining in areas. Means right now we are listening so many news related to rain because monsoon already come. Okay. Monsoon already came in our country means previous day. Okay, so many states covered right now. So right now today we will discuss about monsoon season or rainy season. How will you explain this topic, rainy season or monsoon season? Do you really like it or not? Your personal opinion you have to share. One by one I will call. First I will call Paridhi. So please come on the stage and you have to discuss about rainy season. You give a very short speech. Okay.
Good evening to sir and all of you. I am Paridhi and today I am here to initiate the topic, that is rainy season. Rainy season is loved by everyone. Rainy season comes in the month of June till September. The environment becomes cool. The rainy season is mainly caused by evaporation. Because of too much heat, the water evaporates and the clouds become heavier than it falls in the form of rain. There are many disadvantages of rainy season, like because of too much rain floods are caused, but there are some advantages also, like it's very important for the trees, crops. Without rain crops cannot survive. Thanks.
So I am just telling you, whenever we talk about any topic, so first we tell the advantages and after that disadvantages. First we have to put in positive points and after that negative points. Okay, so means you have to tell also, means do you really like rainy season or and why? Yes, Christy, please come on the stage.
So first of all, good evening all of you. I am Christy Agrawal from class 7th and today I am here to present the topic, I like rainy season or monsoon season. A rainy season is a type of a season in which there is a lot of rain so that our environment can get normal and there will be greenery in all and whole the earth and everywhere. And everyone likes rainy season, but someone also not like rainy season. There are many advantages of rainy seasons, just like it gives enough water to our environment so that it can grow easily and normally, and it spread coldness everywhere so that there will be normal and cold temperature everywhere. And now I will tell the disadvantages of rain. Okay, so there are many disadvantages as advantages of rain, because everyone have to do their work, but because of the rain they cannot do it properly because there is mud everywhere, and some flood also can come, and there is water everywhere, and no one like it. Everyone like clean places. This is all about my topic.
Yes. Next, Ishika, please come on the stage. You have to tell, means do you really like rainy season or not?
Good evening sir and all of you. I am Ishika. Today I present the topic. My topic name is rainy season. Rainy season give us relief from our busy schedule. Sky become cloudy and road and path become muddy, and it is helpful for crops and agriculture, and rainbow is seen on the sky, and nature look green and beautiful. Rainy season clean our environment from pollution. Thank you.
Next person, Harshit Yadav, please come on the stage. Okay, and after, yes, Raj. Okay.
First of all, good evening everyone. My name is Harshit Singh Yadav and today I am representing a topic, rainy season. So I am starting my topic. Rainy season is a season that comes in June to September, and in rainy season there are in rainy season our atmosphere is so cool and calm. It give relief from the heat, heat and sunstroke, and it decreases the temperature, and it cools our atmosphere. And there are so many advantages of rainy seasons, like it cools our atmosphere, it makes our environment so green, and it is important for forest trees, so they need water, so they can use the rain water. And rain is also important for crops. And there are so many disadvantage of rainy seasons, like in rainy season there are so many insects come, and in rainy season there are so many floods, and the streets are so full of waters. And that's all from my topic.
Yes, Raj, please come on the stage. And after that, Harsh.
So first of all, good evening to respected sir and all of you. I am Yasraj Adam, and I am here to present a topic on I like rainy season because according to me I like rainy season, and I want to tell some advantages of rainy season. Rainy season according to me is very good season for the plants and trees, because it is a sparkling water to the plants and trees, and it also give relief from sunstroke and heat and hotness and at etc. And it also and rainy season also decreases the temperature of our environment, and it is also good for our environment and nature. And now I want to tell some disadvantages of rainy season. Sometimes there is very much flood, so it is very harmful for plants, because it's destroy the plants, and many of people can't go to their office, and many students can't go to their coaching or school, because there is very much flood on their street, on the road. And also this is very harmful for children, because the water of flood mix everything, and there are many much bacteria in the flood. And now I want to tell about I like rainy season or not. I like rainy season because there are sparkling water, and this is like a cool thing, like this thing will cool us from the temperature, and protect us from the heat stroke. That's all.
Next, Harsh, please come on the stage.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Yashvardhan Bhargav. Today I am here to present a speech on rainy season. I like rainy season because when summers come and rainy, there are also drop and warmness, and the rain starts. Then there are also coolness and the advantage of rains. Animals have need water to drink. Plants have need water to grow. And this advantage of water. This advantage of water is there when the water flow is very much. Then the river and lake water level is very high. Then there are also flood. And when rain stops, we have seen a rainbow that's made by nature. That's all.
Hello everyone and all my dear friends. I am Ayush Mistry. So first of all, I would like to tell you about rainy season. So in the rainy season, we can see many things of our tradition. Like in the village, we can see the proper well ventilation system and proper pipelines and proper tank system. But in the city, we can also only see the pipeline system and only see the hand pump system, so that they can live easily. But in the village, which is not nearby a lake, so that the people in the village build a tank and wait for the monsoon season, so that they can collect tons of water in the tank and can drink in the whole year. But many of the pupils thinks that monsoon season is not good. Monsoon season also the rainy season. So in the monsoon season, many of the insect comes, but they are also helpful for the farmers. The farmers use the insect to grow good quality of wheats and rice and other crops, so that we can eat our food and we can gain our crops to eat. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Adhay Tripathi. Today I am presenting a topic I like rainy season because according to me I like rainy season too much. I like rainy season as it gives reliefs from the hot heat of the sun, and it removes all the heat from the environment, and the rainy season improves air quality and fresh water quality, and also grow crops. Rainy season is the season from which the river and lakes, underground water aquifers and fills. That's all about my topic.
First of all, good evening everyone. My name is Kushau. Today I am representing my topic. Today my topic name is rainy season. So I like the rainy season because there is the weather is very cold and wind blows up very fastly. There are many advantages and disadvantages of rain. Advantages are that the farmers' crops grow very well, and the trees growth increase very well. And there are some disadvantages of rain, such as the farmers' crops. When rain happens heavily, the farmers' crop destroyed, and there is the danger of floods. By the rain, the light cuts off and many important works stops. Well, the rain is happened when water evaporates in the sky. That's all about my topic.
Next.
First of all, hello everyone, I am Tejal and today I am going to present a topic that is rainy season. I like rainy season because it is the best season among all the seasons. Rainy days are awaited by one and all, as on a such day it is the cool weather, and the rainy season is the best season to enjoy the nature and entire atmosphere filled with joy and happiness. And on a rainy day the air feels fresh and there is a cool breeze which makes everything seems calm and cozy. Rainy season is a time of joy and relieve us from the heat and make weather cool and pleasant. Rain cleans our environment from pollution and farmers are happy as it helps in the growth of their crops. Thank you. That's all about of my topic.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Divyansh Rawat. Today I am here to give a presentation on rainy season. So I like the rainy season, and rainy season is also known as the monsoon season. Rainy seasons begins in June till September, and this is very good for farmers and our natures and animal also, because the farmer crop is growing very well, but the flood is also comes in this season. So this is where for some plants. That's all about my topic. Come here.
Good evening to all. My name is Gavrat. I study in 8th standard. Today I am presenting a topic of rainy season. I love rainy season. Rainy season is has very pleasant weather with cool breeze and rain shower. Rainy season loved by pupils at all age group, includes the kids, adult and elderly pupils. Rainy season is started in the month of June and last till September. And rainy season, nature looks green and most beautiful, and the sky becomes overcast and cloudy. Beautiful flower and pupils use umbrella and raincoats, and the beautiful flowers bloom in this month. That's all about.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. My name is Samyak Jain. I study in class 8. Today I am here to represent a topic which is that rainy season. I like rainy season because it's a very interesting season. It gives me relief from the heat of the sun, and it's remove on the heat from the environment and gives me cool feeling when it rains in the rainy season. So I have fun in the rain. I have fun in the rain on the terrace with my brother and sister. That's all about my topic.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Vision and I am here to present a topic. I am rainy season because I died rainy season because I died average temperature, and there is average temperature in rainy season. I died rain and I died to fun in rain. Rainy season come in 1st June. And I like rainy season very much. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Srijan and today I am here to present a speech on the rainy season. So first of all, I want to tell you about what is rainy season and why I like this. So I like rainy season so much because as compared to other season, in this season the automatically greenery are come in our environment, and by this our environment getting fresh and the coolness is automatically come. And now I want to tell you about some advantages of rainy seasons. Like at the time of rainy seasons, those they are doing farming, and this is the time of growing crop, and they want water. Then some farmer are poor and they don't have enough resources, so water is a very well resources of water. And now, and one more advantage is that at the time of rainy season we can do rainwater harvesting for save the water. And now I want to tell you about some disadvantages of rainy season. Like at the time of rainy season the sea level is automatically increasing, and by this the flood chances is very high to coming. Thank you. That's all about me.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Shivans Lakshikar and I am present to hear a topic of rainy season. And rainy season is a pleasant season. It's comes on July, and it's continue till September. And it gives a free form and sun's heat, and beautiful peacocks dance on seeing cloud, and and river and pond are filled with water, and earth is covered from green grass, and sky is full of clouds, and farmers grow a new crops in field, and sometimes heavily rains damage to us, and it also case from flash flood, and flood can damage to the life and properties. It can still form, and rainy season gives a new life and freshness. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Shatan Shupadhyay, and I am here to present a topic rainy season. I don't like rainy season because the chances of flood in rainy season is very increased, and people and children can make sick, and the cockroaches and other insect fall in our house with the rain. But there are some advantages of rainy season, like after a rain, in the rainy season, after rain, the plants and trees grow faster than previous, and rainy season come between the month of June to September. That's all.
Good evening, and all of you. My name is Nidya Agrawal. I am discussing about my topic. My topic name is rainy season. Rainy season is the most important season in everyone's life. Rainy season is the best season in our children's. There are many ponds, rivers filled with water. Rainy season is start in June. 1st June. Rainy season clean our environment. Rainy season is filled with many ponds, rivers, and etc. That's all.